In the arid mountains of West Texas, bighorn sheep roam freely, a symbol of the region's untamed wilderness. Yet their presence here was nearly lost. Unregulated hunting and disease wiped out Texas's bighorn sheep by the 1960s. Decades of restocking have brought them back to West Texas, but a new threat now endangers their future.
There is a disease called Mycoplasma pneumoniae, or MOV for short, that actually can have really devastating effects on sheep populations.
A respiratory disease introduced by invasive aoudad, which have outcompeted and weakened native bighorn populations.
We've sampled aoudad, and over 60% of the aoudad that we sampled, we detected that bacteria, that MOV.
Which pose a threat to bighorn sheep populations across Texas and western states.
Lots of mortalities, lots of deaths, and so that raises the urgency.
But on the rugged landscape of Elephant Mountain, a vital sanctuary remains. A refuge where bighorn sheep have reclaimed their place in the wild. Now, a massive effort is underway to restore them to more of their historic range. Relocating bighorn sheep from Elephant Mountain to the Franklin Mountains will help rebuild their population in a land they once called home.
Land your nose, 1 o'clock, 100 yards out.
Watch the downhill. Yep, I see it.
Come on, sweetheart, turn.
Where you at? Purple Lewis.
There's lots of dangers involved with this type of work because it's hovering, low ground, they're just maneuvering back and forth.
Ready, coming across. Good one. This will be good. Get her going back uphill. I got you. I got you.
Good shot.
It's a great method. It's one of the most effective ones to capture bighorns.
There you go. You got it, buddy.
How you making it, Monty?
I'm doing good. It's a little steep, but I'm almost done.
Clock's ready to go.
All right, coming for you.
Suspended beneath the helicopter, the sheep glide over the landscape, carried swiftly to the drop zone.
I'm trying.
Yep.
Good.
That looks pretty good. Not get down.
You're slacking.
We've got the animal handlers to go pick them up and bring them to the processing stations where we'll take tissue samples and put collars on them.
At the processing station, a team works quickly to assess the sheep's health.
Right there.
It's going well. We've got 4 animals here. People are starting to get in a rhythm of it.
Can you hold that head up a little bit straighter here?
The core of everything is disease sampling. We're doing nose swabs, we're doing some blood collection.
Just do another. 130 mil syringe is fine.
That will go to a lab and we will see if there's been any MOV exposure or current MOV within the population. We're in a world where disease is moving around, especially when we have aoudad bringing in disease. We really want to work to make sure that our native populations are healthy and that we can continue to protect them and be good stewards of wildlife.
All right, did you hear this one's coming in hot already? So we'll work fast on this one.
As a veterinarian on this project, some of the things that I have to take care of is, of course, making sure that the sheep are overall healthy when they come off of the capture. This is a ewe, and we've been doing an ultrasound on all of the ewes to check their pregnancy status. So no, right there on the bottom, there's the feet kicking, right there. Now we also know what to expect for the spring when we have these animals on the Franklin Mountains, how many lamb numbers we expect to see. So that's super exciting.
It'll be all clean animals, all negative animals, negative for that mycoplasma. We'll process them, put them in transport trailers, and then we'll translocate them to the Franklin Mountains.
Drive is one I like. It's a beautiful winding road in the heart of the Big Bend. 6 total trailers going over there. It's a convoy and it's a sight to see. It'll be great when we pull up and open those gates. That will be I guess the exclamation point on this project.
Thanks to its geographic features, the Franklin Mountains provide a strategic advantage for this new herd of bighorn.
It's kind of isolated and there's no exotic sheep in this area like the Aoudad.
That's so cool.
This is very exciting. Big turnout from the community. Everybody excited, everybody happy seeing these animals being released here. They're coming back into what once was their home.
Seeing what I call just the white butt or the white rum going off into its new place, it's very special in my heart. They're running into their new home. The true picture of this restoration effort is establishing a viable herd on the Franklin Mountains to continue our restoration efforts on other mountain ranges. Well, yeah, it's been challenging.
This is just the beginning of a wonderful, wonderful effort.